Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our pre-bidding conference for the procurement of one infrastructure project only. So please confirm your attendance as I call your name. For the back, our back chairman, Engineer Roy Alviso.
Present.
For the back members, Engineer Mencho Bino Mayor.
Present.
Engineer Mamital Ahmed.
Present.
Ms. Shari Ann Guerrero. Present. For the TWG, Engineer Jeffrey Estrada.
Present.
Engineer Rosario Boromba. Present. Engineer Arlon Esteriore.
Present.
Engineer Carmelo Esclama.
Present.
And yours truly, Anchali Lo. For the back secretariat, Engineer Lalini Mendoza. Present. Ms. Jinky Abelgas. Present. Ms. Sharon Manayan. Present. For the bidders to sign the attendance, we have Cindy Garcia from January Bidders. So I will give the floor to our back chairman.
Good morning. Welcome to our pre-bidding conference. Today we have one project to be discussed. Contract number 55 HD0198. Contract name, repair, maintenance of DPWH building, DPWH First District Engineering Office, Satellite Office, main building, the 113 City School. Description, repair, maintenance of DPWH DEO Satellite Office. Approved budget for the contract, 2,114,000 pesos. Source of funds, 011-01101, regular agency fund, no general operations, specific budgets, national government agencies, contract duration, 121 calendar days. For the discussion of project details, including equipment requirements and preparation of the bidding documents, I will leave to the floor to our PWG.
For contract ID 55 repair maintenance of DPWH building, DPWH First District Engineering Office, Satellite Office, main building, Lawan City, Cebu. For item of works to be done under Part B, other general requirements, B.31 permits and clearances, 1 lump sum, B.51 project labor signboard, 2 each, B.71 optional safety and health, 1 lump sum, B.91 mobilization, 1 lump sum, under Part C, earthworks, 8011 removal of structure and obstruction, 1 lump sum, 8031A structure excavation common soil, 34.8 cubic meter, 8041A embankment front road structure excavation common soil, 24.45 cubic meter, 8047 gravity grade, 1.6 cubic meter. Under Part D, reinforced concrete, 901C, structural concrete, 3,000 piece, I class 8 days, 17.51 cubic meter, 9021A, reinforcing steel deformed, grade 40, 2,838.08 kilograms, 9032, formwork and postwork, 143.02 square meter. Under Part A, finishing and other civil works, 101328, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gates 26.551 mm rails, across 10 linear meter. 10132C, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gates 24.701 mm gutters, 20 linear meter. 10141B2, fabricated metal sheets above 0.427 mm, brick light long span, 146.8 square meter. 10271, cement plaster finish, 203 square meter. 10321A, tinting works, masonry concrete, 217.76 square meter. 10321C, tinting works, steel, 268.1 square meter. 10464, autoclave, aerated concrete blocks, 1015.5 square meter. 10473, infrastructure accessories, breakout fascia, 1 lump sum, 10474, metal structure, accessories, bolts and rods, 32H, 10474B, metal structure, accessories, turnbuckle, 16H, 10475B, metal structure, accessories, stud rods, 105.14 kilograms, 10475C, metal structure, accessories, cross bracing, 56.83 kilograms, 10475D, metal structure, accessories, tail plates, 109.9 kilograms, 10478A, structural steel trusses, 3,208.09 kilograms, 10478B, structural steel purlins, 1,153.78 kilograms. Minimum major equipment requirements: backhoe 1, dump truck 1, plate compactor 1, truck mounted crane 1 bagger mixer 1, bar cutter 1, bar bender 1, welding machine 1, cutting outfit 1, and concrete saw 1.
For the preparation of the technical proposal, please follow what is required in the checklist and use the prescribed DPWH forms. Use A4 size bond paper and use blue pen in signing all the pages of the document. All pages must be paginated and with tabbing. Submitted documents which are only photocopies of the original document should be stamped certified proof copies. Please take note of the two-envelope system. There should be a separate envelope for the technical proposal and another separate envelope containing the financial proposal. Please submit two original technical and financial proposals. Again, I would like to reiterate that bidders are required to incorporate in their technical component the bidding documents as part of their bid proposal. And in connection with memorandum dated September 26, 2024, regarding the additional documentary requirements for biddings, bidders are requested to include in the technical component of the bid the duly accomplished BIR form number 2303. Please take note that it is not indicated in the checklist but it is an additional requirement. For the key personnel, please attach supporting documents such as PRC ID, materials engineer certificate of accreditation, project engineer, accreditation of project engineer if applicable, and the certificate of the construction safety and health officer, and check the validity of the PRC ID and ME certificate. For the list of equipment pledged to the contract, please follow what is required in the bid data sheet. Refer to the list of material testing equipment in compliance with DO 11 series of 2017, inclusion of the minimum materials equipment in the technical component of the bid. And don't forget to attach proof of ownership or contract of lease for equipment under lease agreement. Please be informed of the additional project requirement which includes the affidavit of site inspection as stated in the bid data sheet. Interested bidders are also required to submit a letter to this office requesting for site validation. Please be reminded of the mandatory submission of the PhilJet certificate of platinum registration and the use of the revised forms for the following: omnibus term statement, bid form, and bid securing declaration. For financial proposal, please follow the DPWH prescribed format for the bidding quantities. And in the unit cost, please consider two decimal places only. The total amount must be computed as unit cost multiplied by the quantity equals the total amount. Observe proper sealing of the bid proposal, and bidders who purchase bidding documents must have their bids on time. Please don't be late. During the purchase of bidding documents, only representative with original special power of attorney for sole proprietorship or board resolution with secretary certificate for corporation, partnership, or joint venture if not authorized licensed officer in the Civil Works Application or CWA, which is contract specific and executed by the authorized managing officer of the contractor, and presentation of one valid identification issued by the company or any government institution are allowed. However, during the drafting of bids, only authorized licensed officer or those whose names appear on the Civil Works application are allowed to submit. For contractors who will be awarded on these projects, please be informed of the additional documents that should be submitted within 10 days from the receipt of the notice of award. And these are PICAB special joint venture license and joint venture agreement if applicable only. Performance security, construction method, construction schedule, Safety and Health Program, Contractors All Risk Insurance, latest income tax and business returns, and for a local contractor, certification under all stating that the contractor is free and clean of all tax liabilities. Bidders are also reminded of the following department issuances. DO 127 Series of 2018, strict application of RA 9184 in the conduct of post-qualification of bidders with delayed ongoing contracts with the DPWH. DO 28 Series of 2024, three-style policy in the procurement of infrastructure goods and consulting services contracts. Memorandum dated June 14, 2024, implementation of assigning accredited contractors and consultants project engineers. DO number 110 series of 2024, implementation of ISO 9001:2015, certification requirement for large A, medium B, and medium A contractors in the procurement of infrastructure projects of the department. And lastly, DO 241 series of 2024, guidelines on the processing, approval, and reporting system of construction safety and health program for CSHP for the WH infrastructure projects. That's all.
Those significant times and deadlines of procurement activities, issuance of already bidding documents, May 23, 2025 to June 11, 2025. Buying of bid documents deadline June 11, 2025 at 10 a.m. Receipt and opening of bids deadline June 11, 2025, right after the contract profile and eligibility process. Review DPWH in the first district engineering office, Yes1, Francisco Cebu, Bank and Person. Are there any questions, comments, and suggestions?
None.
There is none.